Welcome to my YouTube channel. Some days back, I received a question from one of my viewers regarding the usage of the words children and children's. You know that the word children is a plural form of the word child. So you say there is one child and there are two children. So there is a child, the child is angry, the child is hungry, the child is crying, the child is weeping, the child is playing. You are referring to one child. But when you talk about more than one child, you need to use the word children. It is not children's, children has to be used. Because the plural form of the word child is not children's but children. So you say there are two children. The children are shouting at the top of their voice. The children are enjoying themselves. The children are watching TV. The children are glued to their mobile phones. The children are studying hard. The children are neglecting their studies. So a child is neglecting the studies. The children are neglecting their studies. A child is crying. The children are crying. A child is happy. The children are happy. A child is shouting. The children are shouting. So the word child is singular and the plural form of the word child is children. Then when do we use the word children's? Does that word exist in the English language? It does exist, no doubt. But that is not the plural form of the word child. The word children's is used when you talk about the possession of children. When you want to indicate possession, you make use of the word children's with apostrophe. For example, there are some bags which belong to the children in the classroom. So how do you express that? You express it by saying that these are children's bags. How do you write the word children's? CHILDREN apostrophe S. These are children's bags. These are children's pens. These are children's books. These are children's stories. These are children's songs, etc. So, child is singular. The plural form of the word child is children. When you talk about the possession of one child, you need to use apostrophe S after the word child. So you say a child's stories, a child's apostrophe S, CHILD apostrophe S, a child's books, my child's pencils, my child's bags, my child's teachers, my child's friends, and so on. Please remember that the word children's is not the plural form of the word child. The plural form of the word child is children, it is not children's. So looking at two children, if you say, oh look at those children are happy, then you are making a mistake. That is incorrect. So don't use the word children's when you refer to more than one child. Use the word children's with apostrophe only when you talk about the possession of children. There is one more thing to be kept in mind. When you write the word children's, you need to put the apostrophe before the letter S and after the letter N. So children's, how do you spell it? CHILDREN, then apostrophe S. Don't ever put the apostrophe after the letter S. If you do it, that is wrong. Just to sum up what I have told you, the word children is a plural form of the word child. You say there is one child, there are two children, and you use the word children's with apostrophe s when you indicate the possession of children. So, remember not to use the word children's to refer to more than one child. Use the word children's only when you talk about the possessions of children. And that too, you need to put the apostrophe before the letter S and after the letter N. Thank you so much for listening to me. I'll come back with another topic.